This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to go over a great 16th note based strumming pattern that works for 4/4 time. Once I've gone over it, of course, we'll jam together on a chord progression, putting this into practice. And as I say jam together, I mean right along with bass and drums accompaniment, so it's going to be great. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. This is strumming pattern number 25, found on page 93. That is part of the further study that is there with page 93. So there's some review and further study. Some of those strumming patterns we've done before, and I'm not going over those again, but the ones that we haven't done before as part of the further study, I am introducing to us here in the lesson series. So this is an example of that, and it's going to be fun. After I've gone over it, of course, we're going to jam together with the chord progression as I mentioned, and so that will be number 13, chord progression number 13 on page 94. Okay, so let's take a look at this. It's almost all 16th notes. We have an 8th note and 2 16th notes. We've done that sort of thing before. Then we have 4 16th notes. One of those is tied over to the next beat, so beat 3. Then we're just straight 16th notes. So 1 and 2 E and 4 E and. So you'd have down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The chord progression we're going to be playing is going to be in the key of G, so I'm going to go ahead and just play this on a G chord. So you have 1, 2, ready, and... kind of get it going at that tempo, it's a good idea to try speeding it up. When we speed up, you want to keep the strumming really tight in the right hand, but stay relaxed. So 1, 2, That's where we are now. If we go a little bit faster, 1, 2, ready, and... do it at various tempos. Start it slow and then just gradually work it up faster and faster. We're also going to be playing the C and D7 chords, so you can work it on those chords if you want to as well. But here in the video, we're just going to go ahead and jam on this chord progression. So number 13 found on page 94. We'll insert this once per measure. It's going to happen at 2 different tempos. First that slower tempo and then the faster tempo. It's going to be great. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, awesome. In the next video, of course, we'll take a look at another strumming pattern. It's going to be great. So take care, have fun, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.